How are you doing? You are welcome to Joe Newton online class. In this class, we are going to solve this question on the board, which is under exponential function, a topic in mathematics. Now let us look at the question and solve it quickly. The question says, solve for x, 2 raised to the power square root of 2x plus 1, that is the exponent there, is equal to 32. This is part of WAEC 2022 question, precisely one of the objective questions. Okay, solution. Look at this. We have 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 32. Now, the first thing we do is this. We now look at this 32, we now treat it to exponential power, to the exponential form, such that it will have a base of 2 to a certain power. So it will be equivalent, the basis will be equivalent. Then without wasting time quickly, we look at this. You bear with me that 2 raised to power 5 will give us 32. This is because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So we can see that we have 2 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 5, because 2 raised to power 5 gives us what? 32. Now you can see that this base now is equal to this base. So what we need to do now, we are left with 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. That is equal the powers, but the bases have killed themselves or each other. Okay, looking at this now, we have square root here. Opposite of square root is square. So for you to remove this square root, you square both sides. And the square of a square root will give you the value. Why this power now? This one will go over to the raised to power what? 2. That will give us, we now have that 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2. Because this square root, when it crosses over to this and becomes square, which is 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2, means 5 times 5, which is what? 25. That is 5 into 2 places, not 5 times 2. Okay, collect like terms. We have that 2x is equal to 25. If this plus 1 cross over, it becomes minus 1. So we have that 2x is equal to 24, because 25 minus 1 is 24. Then for us to get the value of x finally, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Therefore, our x is equal to 24 divided by 2, which is equal to what? 12. So the missing value, the unknown value, x, is what? 12. Because if you substitute in that equation, you will still get the value. Because you put 12 here, 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 plus 1 is what? 25. Remember that square root of 25 will give you what? 5. That's your 2 raised to the power 5 gives us 32. Thank you so much for paying attention to this particular class. I hope you can tackle similar questions when you see it. For more of these solutions in physics and mathematics, visit my YouTube channel at Joe Newton Online Class. Also follow me on Facebook page, the same Joe Newton Online Class, even Instagram and TikTok. Like, share, and subscribe.